Ever felt that cloud lingering over your thoughts, making it tough for you to focus or recall information? We've all been there, trying to navigate through that mental haze known as brain fog. Now imagine a day where clarity replaces confusion, and you're at the top of your game mentally. Sounds enticing, doesn't it? Well, we're here to guide you through that transformation. In this video, we'll unravel 10 powerful ways to dispel that fog and reclaim your cognitive prowess. From tweaks in your daily habits to strategies addressing underlying issues, we've got you covered. Dive in with us, and let's clear the air together. Remember, a fog-free mind isn't just a dream. It's a change waiting to happen. Don't miss out. Have you ever noticed that surge of energy and clarity after a brisk walk or a short workout session? It's no coincidence. Engaging in regular physical activity, even if it's just a walk around the block, can do wonders for our minds. When we move, our heart rate increases, sending a rich supply of oxygen and nutrients to our brain. This enhanced blood flow not only helps in clearing the mental fog, but also boosts our overall cognitive functions. But how much exercise do we need? While any movement is beneficial, we suggest integrating at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise into our daily routines. Whether it's dancing, cycling, or even gardening, find what resonates with you and make it a habit. Remember, it's not about intensity, it's about consistency. The human brain is about 75% water. So, can you imagine what happens when we're not giving it enough hydration? Dehydration, even mild, can be a major culprit behind that foggy feeling clouding our thoughts. Research has shown that even a 2% drop in our body's water levels can impair our cognitive functions, impacting our concentration, memory, and mood. Now, you might be wondering, how much water should we be drinking? While the exact amount varies depending on factors like age, climate, and physical activity, a general guideline is to aim for at least 8 glasses daily. Carrying a reusable water bottle or setting reminders can help us stay on track. It's a simple yet powerful step to support our brain's health and function. Sleep. It's our body's natural reset button, essential for a clear and functioning mind. But it's not just about clocking in those hours, it's the quality that counts. A consistent sleep schedule helps regulate our body's internal clock, ensuring we wake up refreshed and ready to face the day. Disrupting this rhythm, that's when brain fog and lethargy creep in. For optimal sleep quality, we recommend a few changes to your nighttime routine. First, create a sanctuary for sleep. This means a dark, cool room free from distractions. Believe us, your brain thrives in such an environment. Secondly, and this might be a challenging one, limit screen time before bed. Those blue lights from our devices can interfere with the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Consider winding down with a book or soft music instead. After all, nourishing our sleep is a cornerstone in the battle against brain fog. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught in a whirlwind of thoughts and emotions. And this constant mental noise, it's a prime contributor to brain fog. Enter mindfulness and meditation, age-old practices that offer a sanctuary of calm amidst the chaos. By focusing on our breath and grounding ourselves in the present moment, we can significantly reduce stress and enhance clarity of thought. If you're new to meditation, don't be daunted. Starting small is key. Dedicate just 5 to 10 minutes daily to sit in a quiet place, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Feel each inhalation and exhalation, letting go of any distracting thoughts. Over time, as we practice, this act of anchoring ourselves can work wonders in dispelling the fog and elevating our mental well-being. Did you know that what we eat directly influences our brain's performance? Just like other parts of our body, the brain thrives on good nutrition. Omega-3 fatty acids, for instance, play a pivotal role in brain function and mood regulation. B vitamins are like the spark plugs, vital for energy production and nerve health. And let's not forget the antioxidants that guard against free radical damage, ensuring our brain cells remain sprightly. So, what should we add to our plate? It's time to embrace brain-boosting foods. We're talking about fatty fish like salmon, loaded with omega-3s. Leafy greens, abundant in vitamins, should become our best friends. And for a sweet treat, berries. Not only delicious, but packed with antioxidants to keep our brain cells singing. Remember, the key to a clear mind could very well be on our plate. Many of us lean on a cup of coffee to kickstart our day, or indulge in a drink to unwind in the evening. However, while these might seem like harmless habits, excessive consumption can be detrimental to our cognitive health. Overindulgence in alcohol can impair memory, focus, and even lead to long-term brain damage. On the other hand, too much caffeine can disrupt sleep patterns, lead to jitteriness, and create dependency. Now, we're not suggesting to completely abstain, but moderation is indeed the mantra. By being mindful of our intake, we can enjoy the pleasures these beverages offer without compromising our mental clarity. After all, balance is crucial in ensuring that our brain functions optimally and remains fog-free. You'd be surprised at the wonders a glass of water can do for your brain. If you've overindulged in caffeine or had that extra glass of wine, drinking water can help counteract some of the adverse effects. Always keep a bottle of water handy and remember to sip throughout the day. This simple habit can assist in flushing toxins and maintaining the fluid balance essential for brain health. Stay tuned, because coming up, we're diving deeper with more crucial ways to clear that brain fog, including a method that's all about inner harmony and another that taps into the power of nature. You won't want to miss this. Ever felt that mid-afternoon slump or found ourselves staring blankly at the screen during a demanding task? That's our brain signaling it needs a breather. Just as our muscles require rest after intense exercise, our brains benefit from short, regular breaks to rejuvenate and enhance productivity. Enter the Pomodoro technique, a time management method that encourages us to work with the time we have, rather than against it. This method involves focused work sessions of 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle, and after 4 sessions, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. It's not just about managing time. It's about maximizing efficiency. Implementing breaks and strategies like the Pomodoro technique can make a significant difference in our cognitive function, making us sharper, fresher, and ready to tackle challenges head-on. Ever wondered why children are so inquisitive and keen to solve puzzles? The allure of a challenge keeps our minds agile. As we age, we must continue to stimulate our brains, keeping those cognitive muscles flexed and ready for action. Cognitive training and brain games aren't just for fun. They're tools we can use to sharpen our mental prowess. Games that test our memory, problem-solving skills, attention span, and logic help create neural connections and improve brain plasticity. This is similar to how physical exercises bolster our muscles. For those wondering where to start, there are numerous apps and games designed specifically to stimulate cognitive functions. They come packed with engaging puzzles, mind benders, and logic tests that not only challenge us but also keep us entertained. Dive into these digital arenas, and you'll quickly realize that giving our brain a workout can be as exhilarating as any physical sport. Brain fog, that muddled feeling where everything seems a step out of reach, isn't always just about a bad night's sleep or overexertion. Often, there's more lurking beneath the surface. Underlying health conditions, many of which we might overlook, can significantly influence our cognitive abilities. Conditions such as hypothyroidism, where the thyroid gland doesn't produce enough hormones, or chronic fatigue syndrome, characterized by persistent exhaustion, can stealthily impact our mental clarity. It's not merely about feeling tired, it's about how our brains function under these influences. Now, we're not suggesting self-diagnosis or anxiety over every little symptom. However, awareness is pivotal. If one finds themselves continuously battling with unexplained mental fatigue, it's essential not to brush it off. Seeking professional medical evaluation becomes paramount. A timely diagnosis can make all the difference, paving the way for effective treatments and solutions. Diving into our top concerns, stress, and anxiety aren't merely emotional states. They act as silent saboteurs, undermining our cognitive functions daily. The weight of persistent worries and the relentless anxiety can cloud our judgments, impede decision-making, and, over time, even lead to memory lapses. But here's the thing. While we can't eliminate stressors completely, we can change our reactions to them. Therapy isn't merely a term thrown around. It's a transformative tool. Engaging with a therapist can provide invaluable insights into our emotional responses, equipping us with strategies to navigate life's tumultuous waves. And we don't have to go it alone. Building and maintaining a supportive network, whether it's friends, family, or support groups, can significantly diffuse the intensity of stress. These connections act as anchors, reminding us that we're understood and valued. Lastly, crafting personal coping strategies, be it through journaling, mindfulness exercises, or physical activity, is an empowering step toward reclaiming our cognitive vitality. It's about taking control, one mindful choice at a time. In our journey to optimize cognitive function, being proactive is key. We often let minor symptoms slide, thinking they're just passing phases. But the reality is, these tiny niggles could be early indicators of deeper concerns. By addressing these symptoms as they arise, we're not just taking care of our current selves, but also ensuring a brighter, sharper future. Now, we've shared our insights, but what about you? Have you tried any brain-boosting strategies that worked wonders? Or maybe you've overcome a significant cognitive hurdle. We'd love for you to share your stories and tips in the comments below. Your experiences could be the guiding light someone else is desperately seeking. If you found value in our content, be sure to check out the next videos we've handpicked just for you. Together, let's pave the way for cognitive brilliance.